What's going on, family? Welcome to today's episode. Today we are going to be talking about electric motorcycles. Today we're going to be reviewing concept and commuter ready motorcycles. So without further ado, let's jump in and look at the BMW CE04. This motorbike promises a very rapid acceleration. It has a very slim design. It cannot actually stop traffic, but it will definitely help you get in and out of those roadblocks. The bike comes with a nifty gear that allows you to reverse in parkings and load of technical gadgets. You already know this is a BMW, so expect the best of the best. It has a BMW Motorrad connectivity. It has 3 ride modes, stability control, ABS brake, and LED lighting. That's LED, obviously. You can charge the CE04 with your standard domestic socket or via optional quicker charge between 0 to 80%. If you ever get your hand on this CE04, you let me know how that actually works. So how far are you willing to go? Rather, how fast is this motorbike? It has a top speed of 75 miles per hour, which is around 121 kilometers an hour. And it can accelerate between 0 to 60 miles per hour in 9.1 seconds. The CE04 will definitely get you going vroom vroom. So how much is this going to cost you, and when can you get it? The good news is it comes with loads of options. You can get it right away. The starting price is around 12,000 US dollars, which is a little less in euro. So if you are a person that's looking to add loads of other options, it might cost you just a tad bit more. Let's move on. So we've now moved on to the RYVID ANTHEM. This bike has been designed and assembled in the United States. What's different about this bike is that it is indeed an electric motor. It has a starting price of 7,800 USD. It has an estimated price of 7,519. Obviously, I can't account for FX rate, no inflation, so you will have to definitely contact the company. If you are into sports mode or eco mode, the bike offers both. It has a maximum speed of 75 miles per hour. If you were to compare this bike to a Ducati Monster or a Harley Davidson Fatboy 114, it would definitely be unfair because those are different bikes. Just to give you a perspective, what's really important is that it comes with adjustable seat height. So if you're as tall as Michael Jordan or a little bit shorter like Tiger Woods or John Bon Jovi, or somewhere like myself in the middle, you can definitely adjust the seat to your liking in order to make sure that you take those corners very smoothly, because this bike is being marketed towards commuters. In 2022 at the Milan Motorbike Show, Kawasaki unveiled a range of alternative motorbikes. The one we're looking at is an electric motorbike. Obviously, this is a major departure from Kawasaki. We know them as one of the fastest bikes, meaning the Ninja, which started at 900 plus cc. At this stage, this bike is supposed to be 125 cc. If you are a petrol head, maybe you're going to miss the original Ninjas. But we live in a world where alternative fuel and the impact on the ozone is very real. So if you're looking for a bike to just dash in and out of your meeting and still look stylish without making a major impact on our carbon footprint, I would suggest you check out the Kawasaki Z, because it is a very beautiful motorbike, and obviously it's being made by Kawasaki that paid a lot of detail, so you know it's definitely gonna get you in and out of those traffic jams without an issue. Unfortunately, there isn't too much I can say in terms of the price because Kawasaki hasn't announced that. The maximum speed is 87 miles per hour, so it's definitely faster than a few of the other bikes that we've already spoken about. When it comes to design and function, the next company that I'm about to introduce to you is called Cake, and they definitely take the cake. Okay, pardon the pun, but if you look at the dirt bike range called Calc, it is probably one of the cleanest looking dirt bikes I've seen. Moving on to the ORSA utilitarian bench, this bench is very powerful. You can customize it where you can add additional seating, you can have other colors, and it is street ready. So what's different about this company? Personally, what I like about them is that they support a lot of conservation work in the Amazon, and they are as green as you can be at this stage. I have never seen another dirt bike that looks remotely close to what they're doing. If you are a carpenter, even a hipster, whatever category you fall into, I'm pretty sure if you contact this company, they will be able to accommodate you, because their ethos seems to be modular, especially when it comes to the ORSA range, meaning you can customize it. So there you go. How fast does it go? Well, all the details are on the screen, so please go back, pause it, and you'll be able to see it. I've also left the link of the company so you can check it out. Don't take my word for it. Call them, go for a test drive, and leave me a comment at the bottom of the page. We're now moving on to the final electric motorcycle, which is currently in the funding stage. Let's talk about it. Let me start off by saying that the scooter that we're looking at is still in the concept phase. REINOVA has just introduced TOMOVE. This is actually the name of the scooter. It's a foldable electric scooter that is made out of bamboo and aluminum. The idea from REINOVA is for you to be able to take this scooter on the train, and potentially for those of you who live in the crowded cities, to use it as your main transport. When we think about clean energy, this definitely fits the bill because it is an electric motor. As to when it's going to come out, there's little that can be shared, but I wanted to share this beautiful design from the Polytechnic University in Torino with you. So if you are interested, please feel free to reach out to the company and ask them what's going on, because I think it does deserve to be mentioned. So having seen the Kawasaki, the beautiful range of bikes from Cake, the BMW, and so on, which one would you go for? Please leave me a comment. If I've missed anything, do let me know. Take care of yourself. I'll be back with some more.